Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start Steam in offline mode so you can play your games even without an internet connection. First, open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Offline mode only works if you've logged in at least once online before. Once you're signed in, Steam will remember your details for future offline use. Now look at the top left corner of your Steam window and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down, click on Go Offline. Steam will usually show a small message or restart, but sometimes it doesn't. Instead, it just switches instantly. In my case, after clicking Go Offline, you'll notice that Steam didn't pop up any restart box. It just quietly switched modes. You can confirm that by checking the bottom part of the Steam window, where it now says Offline Mode. That's how you know Steam has successfully gone offline. From here, you can head over to your library and launch any game you've already installed. Games that don't need an internet connection will start normally and play without issues. When you're ready to go back online, just click Steam again at the top left corner, select Go Online, and Steam will reconnect automatically. And that's it. That's how you switch Steam to offline mode easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Steam tutorials.